We were the only guests in our group today. Coach Xiaoliuqiu showed a high level of service. Even if our glasses fell into the water, he helped us find them. Thank you very much. The coach's capture skills are also really great and he captures every moment. Overall, the service is really great. The only drawback is that the coach is so handsome. I hope you will continue to provide high quality services in the future because it was really cold after we landed. He made ginger tea for us to drink, which was very warm. The instructor is very good at taking photos, and I am very satisfied with the photos. SUP is more challenging, and I managed to stand up even though the waves were not big. The aerial shooting effect is great. When you came back, you could take a shower and rinse, and you fed a lot of cute cats. Recommended. The coach's explanation is very professional and kind. The safety of the two coaches is very reliable. Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. We'll definitely look for them again next time. Exclamation mark. Hashtag thank you Coach Xiaoliuqiu for your excellent explanation and guidance. Hashtag Klook tickets can be purchased for 2 people and 1 board for $680/single board for $860. It is my first time to experience SUP stand-up paddling, even for me who is slightly afraid of water and can't swim. It's very fun. Only 1 hour is really not enough. Next time I come to experience it, I won't need to take pictures. I want to spend more time to see the beautiful ecology under the sea. The photos taken by the instructor are very beautiful. Basically, just go back and correct the color. Exclamation mark. But the aerial photography part can only be viewed from a distance. The store has a bathroom with a shower gel, and a hair dryer and dressing table, so that we can tidy up after playing in the water. It is very considerate. Everything can be stored, and there is also a hair dryer. Little orange meow. The coach is very good. I like the photos very much and the photos are very handsome. They are very powerful. The coach guided us carefully and took beautiful photos for us. He would always pay attention to whether we were adaptable to the situation and take us to a more suitable water area to practice. Recommended. This is a place that will really make you want to come here. Their service is very good and they will help you take beautiful photos. I have been here twice and I highly recommend it to everyone. This is the second time I come here to play SUP. It's really fun to play Xiaoliuqiu twice in a year. The coach is also very good at guiding me. Because it was cloudy that day and it was going to rain, so I didn't have a free itinerary to shoot, but it doesn't matter. Recommended. Come here. The boss is very nice and knows how to take photos. He will also teach us how to row if we get lost. He will also take us there directly. Although we are late, the coach will still fill up the experience time and the efficiency of sending photos is also very high.